Hello to all my viewers, this is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to run k-fold cross-validation in gradient boost tree in KNIME. So gradient boosting is a powerful machine learning algorithm used for both regression and classification problem. It is an ensemble method that combines multiple weak models to create a strong model. The basic idea behind gradient boosting is to sequentially add new models to the ensemble, each of which corrects the error made by the previous models. The final model is then a weighted sum of all the models in the ensemble. The algorithm starts with a simple model, such as a decision tree, and trains it on the training data. The errors made by these models are then calculated, and a new model is trained to correct these errors. The process is repeated iteratively, with each new model focusing on the errors made by the previous models. I already explained about this chart in my previous video, kindly refer it. Now we are going to do the cross validation. The cross validation is a technique for validating the model efficiency by training it on the subset of the input data and testing on previously unseen subset of the input data. We can also say that it is a technique to check how a statistical model generalizes to an independent data set. The data set will be split into training and testing data. This training data will be fed it for the cross validation purpose. The parameters will be considered, and from this, the best parameters are extracted with the help of cross validation. These best parameters are used to retrain the model, and the final evaluation of the testing data will be done with the help of a retrained model. Now, how cross validation is being done? Let's try to see. The gray color indicates the all data. It will be split into two parts: the training green color, testing blue color. So if there are 100 observations, then there will be 5 folds or 10 folds. If there are 5 folds, each fold consists 20 observations. So in first split, the fold 1, the blue color becomes the testing data, remaining becomes the training data. In split 2, fold 2 becomes the testing data and remaining becomes the training data. Fold 3, testing, remaining becomes the training data. This will be iterated quite number of times and we'll find out the best parameters. These best parameters are used for final evaluation of the testing data. Now let's see how we can do the cross validation in KNIME. So first of all, I will activate the input output node from here. I'll double click on it. I'll browse the data set. I'll connect hard one. It is in a CSV format. Right click on it and execute. Now I'll activate the column filter to select only those variables which are necessary to create the model. Column filter. Right click on it, configure. I'll take all other variables on left hand side and transfer age, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, maximum hours of exercise, heart disease. Click OK, right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and you can see the filtered table. Now, I'll activate the normalizer as all these variables are on different scales. So, normalizer, right click on it, configure. Normally, we will go for mean max normalization. Click OK, right click on it and execute. To run k-fold cross validation, I'll activate X partitioner, which is there in the cross validation menu. I'll connect this. Right click on it, configure. Number of validations 10, stratified sampling according to the heart disease. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now I'll activate the gradient boost learner. Right click on it, configure. Make sure heart disease is a target variable. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Activate the gradient boost tree predictor. So this tree predictor will get its learning from here, but it will get its data set from the X partitioner. Configure, change prediction column name and click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now activate the X aggregator from here, which is there in cross validation only. Right click on it, configure. So hard digits and prediction hard digits. Click OK. Right click on it, execute. Now activate the scorer from here. Configure. Activate hard digits, prediction hard digits, click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and you can see the confusion matrix. So 265 cases have been correctly classified. 375 has been correctly classified. So 265 plus 375, 640 cases have been correctly classified. Classification accuracy is 69%. Misclassification has happened in 133 plus 145, 278. So the error is 30%. So this is a way you can run k-fold cross-validation in KNIME. For more videos on KNIME, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos on KNIME.